3 ways to set your alarm if you're a deep sleeper. First, set your alarm so that the ringer gradually gets louder, or set it to go off in 15-minute intervals.
Avoid hitting snooze until you're late for work.
Second, put your phone further away so you need to get up to reach for it.
That's too far.
Third, buy one of those 113 decibel alarms as loud as a concert. Or,
Please don't suggest hitting something.
get a bed shaker alarm that shakes the bed.
She means the alarm you put under the mattress. And pair with your phone.
And have a good night's rest.